What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here and welcome to this trance atmosphere and textures tutorial. If you've ever wondered how those intricate and interesting trance atmospheres are created in your favourite tracks, then be sure to check out this tutorial as I'm going to be showing you a multitude of different ways that you can create atmospheres, even including getting the gardener outside included. I'll be showing you how to create never heard before atmospheres using your own mouth and objects around you. I'll also show you how to utilise percussion and reverb tails give you extra depth and character to your tracks, as well as the effectiveness of using vocals, presets and pads for extra texture and atmosphere. Along with all this, I'll be showing you my processing, my effects chains and my thought process behind everything I'm doing and why, so that you can translate all of the techniques that I show you and feel confident when doing it in your own DAW. So if you're wanting to create your own unique textures and atmospheres for your tracks and have people wondering where you got your sounds from, then be sure to check out this tutorial at alanmorrowstudios.com.